Whoa. Is that Lightning McQueen?
Surprise, it's Lucky!
It's Lucky! Hiding behind the Lightning McQueen sunglasses!
It folds up.
Let me see. It's so cool. Folds up and down, huh? You got McQueen eyes. McQueen eyes. McQueen eyes. McQueen eyes. Where'd you get that from?
Walmart.
Oh, okay.
And I got everything that I want for $20, and I bought whatever I want.
You bought whatever you want for $20. So how much are those sunglasses?
They are
$5. Cool, cool. What else did you buy with your $20 gift card?
Ta-da!
Wow, how much is that?
It's $10.
Almost $10, right? It's $9 and some change, close to $10. Is that right?
Yeah.
Who is it?
Salty.
Let me see. You don't have a Salty yet. Let me see that. It is Salty motorized engine. Trackmaster, Thomas and Friends. Another Trackmaster. So how many Trackmasters do you have now?
I mean,
Wow.
18, I think.
18?
18 or 19.
Oh, can we recall which ones you have? How many black Trackmasters do you have?
I have only one.
Who is it?
Diesel.
Diesel. Is there a white Trackmaster?
No, there's no white, but there's a silver one.
A silver. So how many silvers?
One.
One. Who is it? Oh, I'm sorry.
Down.
I ruined the Flexi track. Okay.
Flex.
So silver. Who's silver?
Spencer.
Was it Royal Spencer?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's 2. Do you have a brown? Is there a brown?
Yeah, there's only one. It's Toby.
Toby's the 3rd one. Okay.
And there's a blue. And there's
Let me see how
4
they're.
blues.
Okay, who are the blues?
Thomas,
That's the
Edward,
4th, the
Gordon,
5th,
Thomas.
the 6th, the 7th. So 7 now. Okay. Do you have red ones?
Yeah.
Who are they?
And
I can think of one. James
Flynn.
and Flynn.
And Salty.
That's Salty. That's the 10th one. Okay.
Salty.
Any more reds?
Let me check around the island here.
There's your basket of Trackmasters. Okay, so we're on the 10th. Oh, that one is not a Trackmaster, though.
Mayday.
Okay, so we got 10. Do we have greens?
Yep.
How many greens do we have?
There's Percy right here.
11,
Let me see. Oh, there's Emily.
12,
Scrap.
13,
I spotted Samson somewhere. Oh, here he is.
14. This one.
Oh, Philip.
15.
He's yellow as well.
15.
So
I
I
don't
got
think
yellow.
so.
He's in the yellow.
15. 15. I think you have more than that. Can you remember?
I think.
Blue,
I
green.
think I really have more. Oh, I have more greens.
Who?
Flying Scotsman.
16. Who
Let me
else?
show you where Flying Scotsman is.
Okay.
Somewhere over
16.
here. Flying Scotsman. Uh-oh, there's Flynn. Oop, there's Hugo.
Oh, Hugo's what color?
Blue and silver.
Okay, 17.
Oh,
Hugo.
Here's Mike.
Mike is red. 18.
I found the Flying Scotsman. Here he is.
19. Is that the 19th one? 18. Anything else? Who is that? Mike.
Who's who?
Mike. Edward.
Oh,
Did you
here.
mention- Was it 18? I lost count. If it's 18 or 19 Trackmasters you have. I lost count. Okay, anyway, time for unboxing. Salty. Oh, wait. Now you're done with the $20. So you got $5 and $10 is equal to? 5 and 10 is?
15.
15. So there's more $5 missing to make it 20, right?
Yep.
Did you buy something else to make it a total of 20?
Yeah.
What is it?
We got Spider-Man.
Who's that? Spider-Man Monster Jam. That's about $5.
Mm-hmm.
That's right. Wow, okay. But we're not going to open Spider-Man tonight.
He's going to be open on a field trip.
On our field trip to
San Diego.
When are we going?
Tuesday?
Tomorrow, Tuesday, right. Why are we going to San Diego?
Because we're going to Legoland.
We're going to Legoland, Sea
Look, on the
Life,
back it says
and
you can
Legoland Water Park.
On the back of the box it says you can get the Blue Avenger, Captain America, Iron Man, Spider-Man, and the Blue Crustacean, Yellow Max D, Gravedigger, and Chrome Ultra Loca.
So who are the superheroes that you have now?
Captain America, Iron Man, and Spider-Man.
Cool. Okay, time to unbox Salty, Mr. Cool.
Salty.
Do you need help?
Got it.
It doesn't come in a box, huh?
It doesn't.
It's just a plastic with a cardboard at the bottom. No box like the other Trackmasters. Maybe Salty is an old Trackmaster.
There's also the version of old Trackmaster.
Okay. I think this is an old Trackmaster.
No, this is new.
Are you sure?
I'm sure, because everything I got is new except Edward.
Edward is old. Okay.
Ooh, a little bit.
Okay. Okay. Hurry. My battery's dying. Okay.
I have to punch it. Punch it literally, like poke a hole in.
Okay. Tear. Hurry.
Look.
Mommy's battery is dying. Cool.
Whoa.
After we check the features of this, we're going to have to finish up dinner and pack her bags to go to Legoland tomorrow. Okay. What does Halty have?
A car.
A card that says?
Brendan Bay.
Are you sure? Mm-hmm. Let me see. That's right. Okay. And then, what color is Salty?
Red.
Okay. Let me see his face. I'm not very familiar with Salty. Ooh, he looks like he has a railroad crossing in there on his face. Okay. What is he? A steam or a diesel engine?
Diesel.
A diesel?
Because he's got the thing where the smoke come out.
Okay. You want to show us his face, the back, the front, and the side?
Back.
The back.
The front.
Uh-huh.
And the side.
Okay. Tell
The
them.
other side and the top.
Okay. What are the colors of his wheels?
Black.
Oh, black. Okay. Tell them to watch out for the next video, part 2, when we run Salty on this massive track. Tell them to watch out for part 2.
Watch out for part 2.
Okay. Thank you for watching, and
Don't forget to subscribe.
bye.